In this video, we'll guide you through installing your Lorex 2K Wi-Fi Smart Lightbulb Pan-Tilt Camera. Model number SL301, part of the Lorex Connect series. The number of light bulb cameras included depends on the package you purchased. Before you begin, familiarize yourself with the safety information. Warning, risk of electric shock, use in dry location. Not for use in totally enclosed luminaires. Do not use with dimmers. This device is not intended for use with emergency exits. Disconnect power before installing or removing. Let's go over the main features of your light bulb camera. There's the E26 compatible socket, LED light bulb, status LED light, camera lens, 4 infrared IR lights, microphone, speaker, micro SD card slot, and reset button. To begin installation, turn off the light switch and then screw the light bulb camera into an E26 light bulb socket. Note that the light bulb cannot be replaced. Let's add your light bulb camera to the Lorex Connect app. Download Lorex Connect from the App Store or Google Play. Log in or create an account. Tap Add Device and select 2K light bulb camera. Turn the power on to the light bulb camera and then in the app tap Next. Select the light bulb camera once detected in the app and then add this device. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. This light bulb camera supports dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 GHz. Name your light bulb camera and tap Continue. Allow any updates to install. Don't power off the light bulb camera until the update is complete. You're all set. Open Live View, Pan and Tilt to explore, schedule lighting, enable motion and AI detection, and watch recordings in playback. Need help? Visit help.lorex.com and search for your product by name or model number. You'll find installation guides and troubleshooting tips. Enjoy your Lorex 2K Wi-Fi Smart Lightbulb Pan-Tilt Camera.